Well, we're back here today to put in the pump system for this house. If y'all remember, you caught the most recent video of us drilling a well. But the reason for today's video is to use this brand new cable locator. I've yet to use it. If you remember the video, it was one of the more popular ones. We fixed the electric line. It worked for 15 minutes and then it popped the breaker again, so we just gave up on it. I bought this unit after that job. Our old cable locating machine was probably 30 years old, nearly my age, but it worked good. Technology's gotten so good now that we decided we were going to invest some money into a new one, and I'm here to try it out for the first time. Because let me show you what we've got here. So that's where the well is, okay? Now, the power line follows, if you see where that little property marker is right there, the power line is 3 feet off of it, and it follows basically right where our grit is. Comes down right on the edge, comes down right here. I'm standing right on top of it here. It comes to over here, and it goes right there. Now, where the homeowner wants us to put the water line in is underneath the porch, which is kind of crazy. I've got to get under here, and I've got to drill me a hole through this wall. So right here, I'm gonna have a seam, so I need to stay away from it, and that's the other side. So I gotta go inside and measure to where I don't hit one of the the big thick studs in that superior wall. But beforehand, before we start digging, I've got to locate that power. And I also need to figure out where they put the grounding rod. I assume they put one here, but sometimes they'll space them out 6 foot. So I don't want another one here. If there's another one over there, I'll be all right. But I'm gonna go ahead now, open this thing up and show it to you. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Fisher Research Labs. The carrying case is gorgeous. I had to buy the clamps separate, but the clamp should do me good. So we're just gonna clamp that around there. I'm gonna open this up here. The clamp should go into this piece right here, maybe. Yep. And then we'll turn it on, and it should send a signal. It should send a signal to where we can read it with this bad boy. It says right here on the screen, signal current. Anybody who understands these things, please leave a comment in the comment section. Give me some details on it, because this is all new to me. It says auto power down with unit, okay, and then I can press this and go to high power mode. Doesn't seem like it's making any difference. So it says it needs to be 8 feet away at minimum from where you're trying to check. So that's why I put it that far away, basically on the other side of the unit here. That way I can actually mark next to this thing. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. That's it. Wow, look at that. I'm trying to see if it tells me the depth. Wow, look at that, the depth, baby. 1 foot 9 inches, that's awesome. It's just so much for an electric line being in 3 feet deep. Right there, Mike. That's good. Right here. Right there. See, that says 3 foot 5 inches right there. That's weird. I'm gonna try to press the button and see if it does it any different. This is so cool. There it is right there. 2 foot 2 inches. 2'7". Yeah, but Basically, it just depends on how far I am off the ground. There. This is awesome. Awesome technology. Measures the depth, Dad. Tells us right on the screen.
Okay.
All right, so right here in the bottom corner where my thumb is,
yeah.
Watch. See it?
2'6".
Yep.
Wow, that's badass, huh?
2'7".
Well, you can message Adam. Yep, we got the good one.
Yeah. Yeah, he said that some measure the depth. I'm glad this one does. But like you can, if you hold it up further above the ground, it's going to tell you it's a further distance in the ground. You really need to get that probe like an inch off the ground to get accurate depth. 2 foot. Right there, Mike.
2 foot.
2 foot. Everywhere I've tested, even up there at the house, is 1 foot 9 inches.
Damn.
Yep.
Okay.
It's almost like Steve might have told them that they were gonna like backfill or something there. Yeah, see how tight that is on us?
Yeah. Now, we're going in right here though, right?
Yeah, we're going in right there in that corner.
Okay, there's an air conditioner right there.
No. We'll go in the basement. I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, so we're in here. This is the exterior corner. I guess that's where the heat pump is. This is where the porch starts. That was where our wall is, where I said we needed to stay away from. We can't go there because there's a heat pump here now. So I was originally going to come in here, but I've got to come over to the front section and come in here. Cool. That sucks, huh? If I need it, okay. That sucks. The beam, the porch is right in my path. That is no bueno. Because the heat pump is there.
Can we go ahead and put together a pump, put it in the well?
Yes, sir. Yikes. Well, the new Fisher underground cable locator is awesome. Awesome. I think we paid $3,800 for the unit, and then I had to pay another, I think, $200 for the clamp. So, wasn't bad. Some of these units, you can get a basic unit, kind of like the one we already have. Okay, there's the other grounding rod. Yeah, see, so then they're gonna elevate the ground a little bit. Oh, look at that thing. Spit condensation on my unit. The pump just kicked on at the most inopportune time. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, hold that off, okay? Pop this out, put my plug back on, good. But it had the, when you purchase it, you could buy a soft case or a hard case, and I opted for the hard case, which is, in my opinion, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, go ahead and take this off. Yeah, the reason for buying the whole unit was because we broke the clamp on the old one, and I was tired of, using the old one. I wanted something new that would tell me the depth, so luckily we got one that registers depth. Pretty cool. All right, they're rolling out the pipe. We're putting this pump at 200 foot, 3/4 horsepower, 8 gallon a minute, and I'm gonna be pulling the wire. That well was drilled to 345 feet deep, and we marked it 10 gallons a minute, but it probably makes somewhere between 20 and 25. It just makes a lot. All right, in she goes. Mike, it's all you.
Okay, got it.
Well, Dad's got the ditch all dug. Luckily, we didn't find no power. They're working on putting a water line together right now. Yeah, we knew exactly where the power was. So now I got to take this into the basement. I'll show you what we got done there. That's our transition. Got our 90 here up underneath the porch. We reached as far as we could with the excavator, which was about right here, and we dug the rest of this by hand. You can kind of tell. But I've already bored a hole through. I've got my basement through hole all waterproofed. So I've got to get the wire is feed that wire through first, and then I can push my pipe through. So that's where I came through, pushed me some excess wire. That's my basement entry, all waterproofed out. I still got to go in here with my caulk. Let's go ahead and get that hay off of there, being outside. Cool. Okay, then we got a 90 down, 90 over, come this way, 90 this way, and then put the tank there. And then I've already mounted my big filter here. I mounted the 2x12 on the wall, 3 screws mounted on the metal stud, and then that's his beam there. So in about 15-20 minutes I'll have all this done, and we'll see what the final product looks like. Alright, so got this all done. Got the wire coming down nice and tight behind it. In this state we don't have to put it in conduit, they just want it nice and tight to the pipe. Got it coming over to my switch, coming out of my tank, up here to the filter. Let's get a full view of it. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. And the filter's kind of behind this piece here, and it goes up into their manifold. So we're all good. Just want to double check, make sure my filter's tight. Okay, filter's tight. Now it's time to go outside and see how they got the ditch going. Cool, we got it all covered up. Mike went ahead and filled in up underneath there. Got it all packed down. This looks good. Only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the truck, get me about 5 blue flags, pink flags, orange flags, and I'm gonna mark that water line. Now that looks a little bit better. A couple pink flags to designate the water line. Something's better than nothing. Looks like it's time for us to get going. A lot more people blocking the driveway in now. Boy, oh boy, it's gonna be a trick getting out of here. Well, it is Friday. We're all done with the job. And just wanted to say, I've spoke with probably 24 subscribers over the years. And people who've sent donations and stuff, and they kind of know my mentality on things. But if any of the people who were watching are y'all the ones who spoke with me on the phone, y'all know that everything that I do and the money that I generate from this goes straight to my mortgage. That's my goal, was to pay my house off as fast as I can. It's been 7 years since I purchased my home, 30-year mortgage. I'm going today and I'm paying it off. So thought that was really cool, kind of proud of myself. Won't be no more mortgage. It's just been everything that I've made from this journey, helping people, donations from people, the YouTube generated money, stuff like that. I don't get paid a lot from YouTube, based on all the effort that I put in. It's just, I don't think I could really make a living off of it. Well, I can't because of my content, but it definitely is a helping hand as far as, you know, what it generates. You can just throw it towards the mortgage and just wipe it out quick. So that's what I'm doing today, and I just want to share that with y'all at the end of the video. You know, it's just something to be proud of. I wanted to share it with y'all. So hope y'all have a good weekend, and I'll see y'all on the next job, whatever it is. And thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up.